Your mama, bitch, and your ugly ass kids, bitch. Bitch ass motherfucker. Bitch. Tear your motherfucking shit up. Y'all lucky, bitch.
On January 3rd, 2025, a Findlay, Ohio shoplifting call escalated into a 115-mile-per-hour pursuit and a pit maneuver felony arrest. 3 legal questions define this analysis.
Hi. We just had a lady walk out with 2 of our bog bags with products stuck into them.
Okay.
Here's my video of her. So
Did you guys walk out?
did I walk out?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is her. And I was trying to, sorry, let me,
I just saw you walk out of my store with a ball back.
Okay. Do you know how to do anything today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I literally just saw you walk out.
Yeah. Did you find everything alright?
Yeah.
No, I'm not sure what the product she had in the bags, but I know that it was the 2 bog bags and then product was stuffed in there.
Gotcha. What is your first name?
Melissa.
I'm going to send you a link. Can you send me that video?
Absolutely. We just did this on Monday.
So I was coming from Bright Road.
Yeah.
So since I was behind her, there was 3 guys in front of her, so I'm hoping one of them gets her whichever way she ended up going. So
Yeah, but
because one went towards 99 the highway, so she may be getting to him here in just a second.
Yeah, it was like, it didn't look.
Hoping I hear it on my radio.
Let's just.
yeah, she put them in, obviously you can see her putting them in the trunk of her car. If I pause this, if we start it right there. Sorry.
Did you just go outside and wait on her?
Well, I was right here, and then I was just trying to get a license plate.
With a tan coat, boots on. I just saw you walk out of my store with 2 ball bags filled with stuff.
She tried to say.
They were, because they were in.
She said that's not my stuff. She goes, that's not your stuff.
I literally just saw you walk out.
Can you get me at least a price on the bags and like a
Do you know what
receipt or
colors
something?
they were?
Blush, big blush one, small one.
She's still running?
She's still.
They're by the highway on 99 though, so they're not anywhere close that I can help. So no reason for me to even try.
Oh yeah, I get to fill out another one of these.
Hey, at least we caught this one.
Yeah. Well, you guys had a
Now,
lady.
I will tell you, it's dangerous going out there even to get a license plate, but the license plate does help a lot.
I know.
Hi.
Well, I'm only saying I went out to the sidewalk.
Yeah, well, I mean, you could say you went out and got the license plate.
Yeah.
I mean, you didn't have much of a conversation with her anyway.
No.
Well, you weren't trying to stop her necessarily.
No.
So I'm sure that's against your policy.
Yeah, we're supposed to use sidewalk, and that's about it.
Yeah.
After receiving a statement from the manager, officers had a full description of the suspect. It was time to search for the thief. Moments later, officers spotted the vehicle, and a high-speed chase ensued as they attempted to apprehend the suspect.
We are eastbound on North Dixie Highway. If someone can communicate to this Perrysburg Township unit behind me to come take the one position, I'll give it up. Ran the red light at Fort Meade Boulevard, westbound. They're at the traffic light at Levis Commons and Jefferson Street. Through that intersection, we're coming up to the diverging diamond here at 75, 475 split. We're going to get back on 475 southbound. On 25. They just took a pit on her. Stealing from Dick's.
Oh, a fucking ball game.
You weren't running, were you?
No, I walked back. Ball bag, $100 ball bag.
Come down here and play.
Thanks, guys.
Get caught up to do it too.
Thank you, guys.
I didn't
868 quarters.
Big one from Findlay all the way up here.
I talked to the lady and everything.
Females in custody. We're at 75 and 25 Anthony and Troy exit.
Woo! Y'all get a big reward, huh? Y'all get a big reward for this?
You get a felony.
Big reward.
You can go to prison now for stealing some clothes. That's stupid.
Guess what? Slap on the wrist. First time. Never do.
Not in Hancock County.
Wrong county, honey. You're not Lucas
Not
County
Lucas anymore. Over here.
The best lawyer. And Hancock and Lucas everywhere, baby.
Yeah, I'm on one.
Everywhere. See y'all soon. Great job.
Thank you. You got it.
So much.
All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Whenever you guys get a chance, whoever's in this, the evidence is in the trunk. They said you put it in the trunk. Okay.
I'll get you out of here.
That's good. We're gonna have a tow truck come get it. So okay. I got another officer. Should be here in a second. So.
Good job.
Thanks.
You good? You all right?
I'm good. You're good.
Photos of everything? You want photos of everything before, bro?
We got a tow truck coming. I just need to get in the trunk. However you open the trunk on this stupid thing. There we go. There it is. Some pictures.
All for a little stuff.
Yeah, for a misdemeanor. Kind of dumb, but
What do you need help with?
I got a tow truck coming. I'm just gonna get our evidence here and go from there.
We got a set up here, though.
I thought you guys had her boxed in there, but
Oh, no damage. Nice.
494. So I've got a whole bunch of Stanleys, some clothes, like a black rubber bag, a purple rubber bag, and a plastic bag with clothes. Does that sound about right? You're clear. That's all the stuff she stole. Stupid ass. I know. Why do they do this? Good.
Let's take my phone off the hood, please.
Oh yeah, we'll get there. You're not getting it though. So.
I mean, I just want to call and make sure my baby dad get my daughter. That's it.
If you would have stopped in Findlay, and we would have wrote you a court date, and you would have left, and then you could have called your dad or your baby dad and your
I didn't
daughter.
know how Findlay works, so I wanted to get to Toledo.
Toledo, and now what's
Then
happening?
I
You
went
got a
to
felony.
Perrysburg, and then I'm like, fuck Perrysburg, so I was like, let me get to Toledo.
It's terrible excuses. All right, but no, you're not going to use your phone anytime soon. So sit tight, enjoy the
Well, I
calmness.
had a newborn baby. I just need. Can you call him?
Let me tell you something right now. I am being a dick. I don't give a shit. Okay, you know how many lives you're just putting danger out there? Myself, all these officers, all the citizens out there, and then you're worried about your little baby. You could have stayed home and taken care of him like a good mom.
I am.
Piece of
I
shit.
did.
Dude, this is my second one.
No, because I jumped in right behind.
Yeah, what happens all the time down there? She's in there whining. I need to go take care of my little baby.
Is that her?
Yeah.
You guys had one they stole from like the Best Buy warehouse?
Yeah.
They flipped that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
They flipped the Pacifica. I worked in early with Williams, and they get off and try to go the wrong way and flipped it, and then tried to run across to Baymont in Northwood.
What's her name?
Oh, I think that was.
Angelica.
You ain't shit but a bitch with a badge, bitch. All of y'all. Good work. Good work, officer. Good work. Fucking dumbasses. For a fucking purse. Y'all slow as fuck. Did all that shit for a purse, and they just fucked my car up. Nah, I really ain't gotta pay for my car. Hey! Hey! I'm trying to get you. Open the door. Why the fuck is y'all counting my money, bitch? Bitch. And he keep touching my motherfucking wallet like you about to touch my money. Why is y'all in my money? Fuck wrong with y'all? Fucking pigs. Thief ass pigs. Your mama bitch and your ugly ass kids, bitch. Bitch ass motherfucker. Bitch. Tear your motherfucking shit up. Y'all lucky, bitch. Not this fucking goddamn seatbelt child.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Ohio Revised Code Section 29, 13.61 grand theft applies when stolen property exceeds $1,000 in value, carrying a felony of the 5th degree. 115 miles per hour triggers, Section 2921.331, subsection C4. Failure to comply felony, fleeing and eluding in the 3rd degree, 9 to 36 months imprisonment, up to $10,000 in fines. Flight at that speed is not a sentencing issue. It is a separate felony charge. The pit maneuver is a Fourth Amendment seizure. The governing standard is Graham versus Connor, 490 United States, 386, 1989. Force is reasonable when judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not with hindsight, not with subsequent information. Scott versus Harris, 550 United States, 372, 2007. applied Graham directly to high-speed pursuit termination. 8-1, the court held. Vehicle contact to end a dangerous pursuit does not violate the Fourth Amendment when the suspect poses substantial and immediate danger to the public. Tennessee v. Garner, 471, United States 1, 1985, adds a critical caveat. Deadly force requires the suspect to pose a significant threat of death or serious physical injury to others. A pit maneuver at highway speeds approaches that threshold. Supervisory authorization is not confirmed in this footage, an unresolved compliance gap. The warrantless trunk search rests on three independent constitutional doctrines. First, Arizona v. Gant 556 United States 332, 2009. Officers may search incident to arrest when evidence of the arrest offense is reasonably contained in the vehicle. The arrest offense was theft. The store employee confirmed on camera that stolen merchandise was loaded into this trunk. The Gant evidence exception is directly on point. Second, Carroll v. the United States 267 United States 1, 32, 1925. The automobile exception authorizes a warrantless search on probable cause. That on-camera statement independently satisfies it. Third, South Dakota v. Opperman 4, 28 United States 3, 64, 1976 covers the impound inventory search. Any single doctrine is sufficient. All three apply here. The suspect was charged with grand theft under ORC 2913.61 and felony fleeing and eluding under ORC 2921.331. The case is pending adjudication in Hancock County. The responding officers receive a B+. The pursuit and pit were constitutionally grounded under Scott v. Harris. Evidence handling met chain of custody standards. 2. Deductions. Post. Arrest language that falls below professional conduct expectations and supervisory authorization for a highway speed PIT that is unconfirmed in the footage. The suspect receives an F. Grand theft and felony fleeing and eluding carry combined maximum exposure, exceeding 4 years imprisonment. For merchandise that was fully recovered at the scene. Store employee Melissa receives an A-. She preserved video evidence, provided a detailed physical description, and limited her pursuit to the sidewalk per store policy. A complete license plate number is the only gap from a full A. 3 lessons from this incident. First, flight creates independent felony exposure. Subsection C4 requires only substantial risk, not actual harm. At 115 miles per hour, that threshold is crossed the moment the pursuit begins. Second, probable cause for vehicle searches must be documented, explicitly and at the earliest opportunity. The store employee's on-camera statement activated all 3 search doctrines in this case. Remove it and each one becomes vulnerable. Third, bodycam footage is a legal document, not only a tactical record. It appears in depositions, disciplinary hearings, and civil suits. The officer's frustration after a life-threatening pursuit was legitimate. The phrasing he chose was not. Composure under provocation is itself a legal protection. Let us know what interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions.